Hey, our friends. Today we're gonna draw Jack.
Yeah, not you. We're gonna draw Jack and the Beanstalk. We hope you're gonna follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw Jack down here in the bottom left of our paper so that we have room for the beanstalk, really big beanstalk on the left side. So we're gonna start over here. I'm gonna draw a smile right about here. Then let's draw his eyes. I'm gonna draw a small little circle on each side. And then we can color in those little circles, but I'm gonna leave a small highlight to make the eyes look shiny in each eye. Okay, now let's draw his face. We're gonna draw the letter U underneath for his cheeks and chin. Now let's draw his hair, and we could just draw a zigzag line. I'm gonna draw a curve coming up first, and then we'll draw another curve coming down, and then a zigzag curved line. There we go. And then we're gonna draw it curving down the other way. Then we can also let's draw a little ear on each side. And then we can draw the rest of his hair coming up like this, or the top of his head. And I'm gonna stop here and draw maybe a zigzag that comes out this way and then back over. If you want, you could just draw a big upside down U to connect to the other side. I'm gonna add maybe a small little upside down V, and then we'll connect over to the other side.
That's awesome.
Yeah, there we go. Now let's draw his body. We're gonna draw two lines coming down from his chin. Then let's turn this into the letter H. I'm gonna draw a line across. Then we can draw his legs. I'm gonna draw one letter U for each leg coming up to the middle. Yeah, and then we could also let's draw his belt. Then let's give him boots. I'm gonna draw a line here and over here. And we could also give him a cool vest. I'm gonna draw a line down and over, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we could also let's draw a little X right here. Maybe this is part of his shirt and another X below it. Okay, now let's draw his arms. We're gonna draw a diagonal line coming down and then connecting into his waist. Line down and then connecting into his waist. And then we could also draw a sleeve. I'm gonna draw two lines right here on both arms. We did it, there's Jack. Now we need to draw the beanstalk.
Yeah.
Let's draw the bottom of the beanstalk over here. I'm gonna draw a line coming across. Oh, we could even connect it, if we want, to the ground that Jack is standing on. And let's draw little leaves right here. So we'll keep this really simple. We're just gonna repeat the same step over and over. So we'll go a little faster, but we're gonna draw the bottom of the beanstalk made out of little leaves. So I'm just repeating the leaf shape and changing the direction so they're going different directions, each of the leaves. You could also draw little small leaves in between each leaf also to make it a little bit bigger. Then let's draw the beanstalk. This is the cool part. We're gonna start here, and I'm gonna draw it curving up, and we can stop right before we get to the end of the paper. Then let's draw the other side of the beanstalk, and I'm gonna match that same curved line all the way up to the top too. Now let's add texture to our beanstalk. I'm gonna draw another line like this, but I'm not gonna match it as much. In fact, I'm gonna change it so that it looks different. And then we can add maybe there's another curve that comes up like this, but it's gonna connect. And then we could also draw another one up here. And you can add these in different places. You don't have to make it look exactly like ours. That looks really cool, and I like how thick yours is. It's okay that our two drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
They're both turning out awesome. And it's okay if your drawings look different too, because I'm sure they're turning out really cool.
Yeah.
The most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
have fun and practice. All right, let's keep going. Now let's give our beanstalk some leaves, really big leaves. I'm gonna start here, and we're gonna draw a curve that comes out And then we're going to draw hearts at the end of this. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes out, and then I'm going to draw the other side of the heart coming up and connecting. That was kind of tricky, so let's practice that again. I'm going to draw it coming out this way, and maybe it's aimed out a little further, and I'm going to go a little quicker since we're repeating the same step. And maybe this one right here could be a little smaller. And then the next one could be really big. I'm going to draw it huge. And maybe even the stem is thicker too. So I added another line, and then this one's going to be really big. I'm going to add another large leaf right here and add another line to the stem coming out. I'm also going to add a small one down here. I'm going to add even more leaves going all the way up to the top of our paper. Add little ones on each side and one bigger one right there. Jack, we did it. We finished drawing you and the beanstalk.
Yeah.
Except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Jack and the Beanstalk, and it turned out so cool, all colored in.
Yeah, I hope our art friends will color their drawings too.
Yeah, and you guys could add even more things to your drawing. I added clouds. What else could they add?
Maybe the giant in the background by the clouds and make him really small because he's far away.
that would be awesome. He's just floating on the clouds.
Yeah.
You could also draw a goose and some golden eggs.
Yes.
Or maybe even add extra magical beans. If you have the same marker set that we have and want to use the same colors, we use 3 greens. 59 is the light green we used on the leaves. Then we used 46, it's a darker green for the shadow and also the stalk. I even used an even darker green 54 for shading on the stalk. Then for Jack, what colors do we use?
We used 3 browns, 103 for his hair, 94 for his shoes, and 41 for his coat.
Yeah, and also his pants.
Yeah.
Then we also used 97 for the skin tone.
Yes. We hope you have fun drawing Jack and the Beanstalk.
We do, and we hope you take extra time to add more things to your drawing. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.